Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do something really fun and colorful, so I came up with this look. So let's see how I created this look. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So using the Glamorous Face palette, I'm picking up this peachy shade. I'm going to place it all over my crease, and to be very honest, it was really hard to build up the color, so I'm building up the intensity. Then going in with this light blue shade, I'm going to place it over the same shade and going to buff it out really nice. So now going in with this darker blue shade, I'm going to place it over the same shades and I'm going to blend this color as well. Now I'm using this eyeshadow stamp, like literally guys, this is really good. I don't know why it didn't work out in this video, but I've done my other eye with this and it worked really well. So this is a very good tool. I'm going to link the first impression of this video somewhere over here, so you can go watch it. Now I'm cleaning up the concealer with a very tiny brush and I'm going to take my time with it. And sorry guys, I don't know why the camera stopped focusing, so please bear with it. Now I'm putting the white shade over the concealer so that it doesn't transfer. I'm using the same palette in this video. So now I'm going over the concealer with the same blue shade to clean it up further. Now I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to place it over the concealer. Guys, if you can get your hands on these shades, please do get them. They're so good and they're so affordable. I think they're available at any local market. Now I'm going over it so that everything's blended and seamless. Now I'm putting a blue pencil in my waterline. Now you know the drill. I'm going to go in with the same shades on my lower lash line. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I wanted it to be fun and colorful and summery, so here it is. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.